got into farming because we wanted a blueberry patch. That was our goal, to have a couple acres in the blueberry patch, and things kind of snowballed from there. We're an experienced farm. Most of our crops that we grow are you-pick crops. We have you-cut flowers, lavender, you-pick pumpkins coming up in the fall, blueberries. We also care for a rare breed of sheep, British Sow sheep. We keep those for wool and as a conservation flock. We also have a designated wetlands wildlife preserve for folks to enjoy. We have wooded trails for folks to just come out and kind of relax. Small farms are the way of the future, farms that provide to the communities where they are. It's sustainable, and it's community.